Today we're going to explore the top 5 best 3D printers that deliver outstanding print quality, reliability, and performance for all types of users. We'll break down each model's print speed, build volume, precision, ease of use, and special features like auto leveling and smart controls so you can easily choose the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional maker, these 3D printers are designed to turn your ideas into reality with amazing accuracy. Check the links in the description for full details and buying options. So stay tuned and watch the full video to find the best 3D printer for your setup. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Ender 3v3 SE is a budget-friendly high-speed 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists. It supports fast printing up to 250 mm per second and includes a Sprite direct drive extruder, making it compatible with PLA, PETG, and TPU. The CR Touch auto leveling system and strain sensor help simplify setup and improve print accuracy. Dual Z-axis and stable linear rails provide better print stability, while auto filament loading makes it easier to use. Thumbs up pros. Very fast printing speed, up to 250 mm per second. Easy auto leveling, CR Touch. Works with multiple filament types. Beginner-friendly setup, quick assembly. Good value for money. Thumbs down cons. Build quality still budget level. Not ideal for professional industrial use. Requires tuning for best print quality. Limited build volume for large projects. Direct hit final verdict. The Ender 3v3 SE is one of the best entry-level fast 3D printers in its price range. It is ideal for beginners, students, and hobby makers who want speed, automation, and decent print quality without spending too much. Number 2. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The Adventurer 5M is a high-speed Core XY 3D printer designed for fast, efficient, and beginner-friendly printing. It offers very high print speeds up to 600 mm per second and features a fully automatic leveling system, making setup simple and consistent. The direct drive extruder, up to 280 degrees Celsius, supports a wide range of filaments including PLA, PETG, ABS, and carbon fiber blends. Its Core XY structure and vibration compensation help maintain stable, smooth prints even at high speed, while quick nozzle changes and strong cooling improve efficiency. Thumbs up pros. Extremely fast printing, up to 600 mm per second. Fully automatic bed leveling. High temp extruder, 280 degrees Celsius, supports many materials. Stable Core XY design with good precision. Easy setup and beginner-friendly. Thumbs down cons. Higher price than entry-level printers. Best performance requires tuning for advanced materials. App features depend on optional accessories. Slightly louder at high speed. Direct hit final verdict. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a fast, modern, and user-friendly 3D printer. It is best for users who want speed plus automation plus reliability, making it a strong upgrade over basic Ender-style printers. Number 3. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The Adventurer 5M is a fast Core XY 3D printer built for speed, automation, and ease of use. It delivers up to 600 mm per second printing speed with a fully automatic bed leveling system, making it very beginner-friendly. The 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder and quick 3-second nozzle change system support multiple materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, and carbon fiber blends. The dual fan cooling system, vibration compensation, and high flow nozzle help maintain good print quality even at high speed. It also includes app-based remote monitoring for convenience. Thumbs up pros. Extremely fast printing, up to 600 mm per second. Fully automatic leveling. Quick nozzle change system, 3 seconds. Supports many filament types. Good print quality with vibration control. Thumbs down cons. Small build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Can be noisy at high speed. App features require setup/accessories. Higher price than basic printers. Direct hit final verdict. The Adventurer 5M is a fast, modern, and highly automated 3D printer. It is best for users who want speed, simplicity, and consistent results, especially for prototyping and hobby production. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3ke 3D Printer. The Ender 3v3ke is a fast and upgraded entry-level 3D printer designed for better speed, stability, and material support. It offers up to 500 mm per second printing speed with automatic bed leveling, CR touch, making it easier to use than older Ender models. The Sprite Direct Extruder, up to 300 degrees Celsius, supports a wide range of filaments including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and ASA. With vibration reduction, dual cooling fans, and improved motion stability, it produces smoother and more accurate prints. It also includes useful features like filament detection and power recovery. Thumbs up pros. Very fast printing, up to 500 mm per second. Supports high-temp materials, up to 300 degrees Celsius. Auto bed leveling included. Strong stability and smooth motion. Good beginner-friendly features. Thumbs down cons. Slight learning curve for full optimization. No fully enclosed chamber, for ABS/ASA. Can be noisy at high speed. Build volume is average. Direct hit final verdict. The Ender 3v3ke is a powerful budget-friendly high-speed printer. It is ideal for beginners and hobby users who want speed plus flexibility without spending too much. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M, Beginner Version, 3D Printer. The Adventurer 5M is a beginner-friendly high-speed 3D printer designed for fast, easy, and reliable printing. It reaches up to 600 mm per second speed with a Core XY frame and strong anti-vibration system, helping reduce print time significantly. The auto bed leveling, 25-point system, ensures good first-layer adhesion without manual setup. It includes a high-flow nozzle, 32 mm superscript 3/S, and fast heating, 35 seconds to 200 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for PLA, PETG, and ASA. The quick swap nozzle and PI build plate make it easy to maintain and use. Thumbs up pros. Very fast printing, up to 600 mm per second. Fully auto leveling, high precision. Strong Core XY stable structure. Quick nozzle and plate system. Beginner-friendly setup. Thumbs down cons. Limited build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Enclosure may require extra upgrade. App features depend on ecosystem. Not ideal for very large models. Direct hit final verdict. The Adventurer 5M is a fast, stable, and beginner-friendly Core XY printer. It's best for users who want speed, automation, and consistent quality with minimal setup effort.